Hey guys, today we will be sharing about CP38. What is CP38? Well, CP38 is an additional income tax deduction issued by LHDN. CP38 requires the employer to make additional deductions, in the form of monthly installments, from their employees' salaries. How do we process CP38 deductions in SQL Payroll? Firstly, we have to go to Payroll. Pending Payroll. Then find the icon with the word CP38, and click on it. A new window will pop up. Click the Generate button on the top left of that window. In this example, Joanne Hugh is required to give a RM100 contribution from June till December 2021. Select the name of the employee that is required to contribute CP38. Set the transaction year, date and key and the amount of deduction. Then untick the months, where there are no CP38 contribution. Press the Generate button at the bottom. Then, press Cancel. Check the entries that were generated. Press the Save icon on the top. The icon will change from blue to gray once it has been successfully saved. You may close your pending payroll screen. Then click New Payroll to process your finalized month end. Select the month and click Process. For this example, I will only be processing the month end for Joanne Hugh. Check the employee's payslip. You will see there is a RM100 CP38 deduction. Next, we will show how to print out CP38 text file for online submission. You can go to Payroll, Government Reports and press the Print Income Tax CP39 option. CP38 will be submit together with CP39. Select the month and press the Apply button. You will see your staff's CP38 amount. Look at the bottom right of that window. Click on the black words, Submission of LHDN's Borang CP39 via magnetic media. Select the LHDN format. Click the small box with 3 dots to select your save location. In this example, I've selected my desktop as the save location. Press OK once you have selected your save location. Then Save button. Once file has been successfully saved to your desktop, you may close the pop-up message and press the Cancel button. The file will be inside your desktop. You can log into your eData account and attach the text file in the submission. That's all of this video. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest video, follow our Facebook for the latest update, go to our website for reports and guides. It's so easy.